Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another Jackson's unboxing here. This one is just a little one today. I have some extra watercolor supplies that I bought. And what I have here, I ordered some more of the White Nights. I really enjoy their watercolors, but I decided to pick up some more of the pastel colors. And then the Caran d'Ache, I ordered some of their watercolor brush pens because I really liked the crayons that I bought last time for watercolors, so I thought I would try something else from this brand, but still in the watercolor family, and these will be really good for illustration as well. So I have a few colors there, and I will be doing swatches in this video. And this portion over here should be the White Nights. Apparently these pastel colors are a little bit harder to find. I know they came out last year, but even if you look on Amazon, you don't see the sets anymore. And then I know people on Etsy are trying to sell them for like 3 times the price. So I would definitely recommend buying them on Jackson's Art if you can, because they're a lot cheaper. Some of the colors, that was your only choice, you had to get the tubes. So it was 4 colors total there. And I picked up, let's see, it was the mint, the rose, peach, and lilac. And there's the peach. Peach and mint were the ones that you had to get in the tubes. And then they had 2 different sizes in them as well. I just bought the smaller size. And I'm going to get into some swatching here because these are new to me. The water soluble brush pens by the Caran d'Ache. And I picked up, this is the turquoise blue, the tiny little tip there. And these are only $1.97 each if you buy them individually. They do sell sets as well, but I just wanted to pick up a couple colors to test them out. And you can see there, they blend out really easily with the water. And then the deeper blue was cobalt blue. Yellow, green, lemon yellow, and then the pink on the bottom. And again, this one was the rose pastel color from the White Nights. I really enjoy these. I think I have, I'm not at home at the moment, I'm in a different location, but I think it's the lighter blue, the peony, and there's another one I have at home too. I think it was the coral. The only one I didn't pick up was the sand color because it was like a little bit of like a gray tone, and I know I wouldn't use it. But these almost look like a gouache. You'll see in the swatches they are a little bit thicker. These will be really pretty for the upcoming months to use for spring florals and other fun illustrations. For anyone that's curious, the prices on the White Nights, they're anywhere from $220 up to like $380. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little mini haul here. And be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I have a lot more illustration videos and some fun things coming up to use some of these colors. See you next time.